Look at this chicken. Isn't she beautiful? She's my mother. What is she sitting on? Can you guess? Yes, that's right. Eggs. And inside one of them is me. I'm trying to come out. I start to chip around the inside of my eggshell with my beak. I have a little rest, catch my breath, and then I try and push my way out. I push and push. I think I need some help. Oh, it's very difficult. I'm nearly out. Oh, free at last. And I did it all on my own. Hello? Is anyone there? I'm out. Look, I'm walking. Where are you? I can hear something. I'll try and find out where that noise is coming from. Where is everyone? Ah, now I can see them. All my brothers and sisters. Aren't they soft and fluffy? And don't they look cozy? What a lot of chirping. Hello, can I come in? I was looking for you. That does look like fun, but I think I'll try it later. I'm about 1 hour old now. My feathers have dried and they are soft and downy. I prefer it down here, close to Mother for the moment. She feels very warm. Where's Mother going? Maybe somewhere nice. What is she doing? Eating something? Yes, it looks like seed. Everyone's off. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Don't miss it. It looks good. Hang on, wait for me. I got left behind in the rush. Is there any left? Oh, good. Yes, lots. Now, how do I eat it? Ah, I see. Like this. Delicious. Now what's Mother up to? Dipping her beak in water. I think she wants us to join her. Yeah. Everyone's off again. Fast as they can. Oh, lovely. A drink. And a paddle. She's going again. Exploring, maybe. Now she's completely disappeared. Ah, there she is. My brothers and sisters are following her. Well, just one more drink, then I'd better go as well. Doesn't it sound strange in here? And it's very dark. I'm not sure if I like that. Good. back to Mother. Warm and safe. And I'm going to stay right next to her for a while. We all love being together in our nest, especially if Mother is here with us. We're 8 days old now. Can you see how our feathers are beginning to grow? We're more active too. Mother knows we need lots of food to help us grow. This is one of my brothers. He has fluffier feet than I have. And a much louder voice. Come on, stop shouting. Come over here and join us. That's right. Settle down in here with us. Now, who's this? It's my father. Can you see the magnificent red comb on his head and the wattle under his beak? He does look grand. What on earth could this be? A house for us, maybe? Look, my brother's feeling very big and brave. He doesn't think he needs to stay by Mother anymore. He's going to explore. But someone's keeping an eye on him. Oh, there goes another one. We're 4 weeks old now. We like using Mother for test flights. The feathers on our legs look like trousers, don't they? And we feel very grown up now our combs are beginning to grow. Hang on. What's all this? Ah, I see. The house was occupied. I don't think Father likes the tone of your voice. Well, they came back in a hurry, didn't they? And I don't think Mother's too pleased either. They do still need Mother, after all. That feels safe. Time for a rest, I think. My goodness! What's this frog doing in our water bowl? As you can see, we've grown quite a lot now. My comb and wattle have grown. Our feathers are looking longer too. Come on, out you go. I'll see him off. Hop it, you. I suppose he thinks that's clever. Well, I'm going. Anyway, fancy being scared of a chicken. An eye. Who does it belong to? A huge, great, fat, pink pig who just so happens to be my mother. Look at us all. 10 little piglets, all fast asleep. We're only 1 week old, so we have lots of growing to do. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Under all that mud, there's actually a pig. Well, he's my father. And as you can see, his favorite occupation is messing about in the mud. At last, he's had enough. Well, for the moment. I think he's on his way to visit us. We're all waking up now, and we feel very hungry. Now we can spare a moment to go and talk to Father. Uh-oh, don't get too close. You're very dirty. Anyway, I need to get back to the serious business of suckling. Everybody pushes and shoves so much that if I don't watch out, I'll get trampled to pieces. Look out! I can't believe that Mother manages to sleep through all this. Well, he's had enough of visiting. I expect he's going off for another mud bath. We all look extremely clean compared to him, don't we? Uh-oh, Mother's woken up. Lunch is over. I expect it's time for her to have a feed of her own now. I wonder if there's anything to eat at the bottom of this hay. It's certainly worth looking. There's not much, but it's fun trying to find something. That's more like it. Just look at us all, so neatly lined up. A perfect end to a perfect day. Well, we all know where he's been, and probably where he's going too. Hello? Hello? Where is everyone? Ah, there you are. Oh, wait for me. I want some too. Save some for me. Make room for one more. Delicious. Now that we're 3 weeks old, we're much larger and can eat solid food, like these pig nuts. Our manners aren't too good, though. Do you have to put your feet in there as well? Meanwhile, Father's still very busy rooting around in his mud pool. I don't know what he thinks he's going to find in there. Rather him than us. We are very comfortable having a quiet snooze on our nice clean straw. Look, here we come. We are much bigger now, 6 months old and almost as large as Mother and Father. We love rooting around in the grass to see what we can find to eat. We don't really mind what it is, of course. Roots, bulbs, a worm or two. Lovely. Aha! That looks very interesting. Oh, lovely. Now I know why Father always gets so filthy. What's under here? That's nice. Most refreshing. I wonder if I ought to tell the others about my new discovery. Do you think they might have guessed where I've been? Well, it did look inviting. Hang on. Where have the others got to? Now, I know what you two are thinking of doing. It's no good just poking your nose in, you know. Come on, now you've got your trotters dirty, you might as well get all the way in and really enjoy it. That's more like it. Lovely. Look, this is how you do it. You have to get completely covered. Yeah. That's right. Now you're doing it. Oh, well, that's enough bath time for one day, I think. This beautiful cow is my mother, and this newborn calf is me. Can you see me breathing? In a minute, I'm going to try to get up. Done it! That wasn't as difficult as I thought. Now, what next? Lovely, warm milk, straight from Mother's udders. Delicious. I think I'll have some more. Hello, a visitor. I expect he's come to see how Mother's getting on with her new baby. I don't know if she's ready for visitors quite yet. I need lots of Mother's milk to help me grow and become strong. I'm very full now. How do I put my tongue away? Done. I'm 4 weeks old and quite a bit bigger now. I have my own stall with clean straw to lay on and fresh hay to eat in a special manger just for me. It smells sweet and tastes lovely. And I still drink milk too. Sometimes the flies come in and tickle me, but I find it quite easy to reach all the itchy bits. Oh, that's better now. A bit further. Lovely. I haven't lived here all that long and still find it very interesting with lots of new things to look at and new friends to make. Oh, hello there. How are you? I see we're next door neighbours. I wonder if he knows that he snores. Anyway, it gives my mother a chance to have a well-deserved rest and eat her food in peace, too. I wonder what she's eating. I think she's enjoying it, don't you? I hope I grow up to be as beautiful as she is. Oh, back to her food. No wonder she's so big with all this food she's eating. I wonder when I'll have a chance to try some. I just know I'm going to like it as much as she does. Of course, she does eat grass as well when she's put out into the fields. Cows are grazing animals and spend most of their time just eating grass. At last, I think she's had enough. What's he looking at, I wonder? More grown-up food, cow nuts. I'd love to try them. Who could it be for? There's an awful lot of it. It can't be for the cockerel, surely. He'd pop. No, it's for us. I think we'd better hurry. We don't want to miss our chance. Don't worry, there's bound to be a little bit left for you. It's just as good as I thought it would be. If only these flies would leave us alone to get on with it in peace. I shouldn't go away for too long, or we might finish it all up. You can't be full already. It's okay. There's still some left. Mind you, not very much. Well, there's no need to climb in it. That's not very good manners. Well, we haven't really left very much for you, I'm afraid. Sorry. Well, it's all yours now. Maybe next time, eh? At the end of the day, full of eating, we like to settle down together and chew the cud. Now that we're 8 months old, we're able to share a large barn, which is much nicer than being alone. We keep each other company, and we keep each other warm. We look quite big, but we still have some growing to do yet. Here we are, 2 years old now, and fully grown. We're out in the fields, stretching our legs and feeding on grass. We still enjoy being together and still enjoy eating all day long, and the flies still enjoy annoying us. This grazing is a full-time job, you know, but we have to do it to produce milk. You see, now that we are so much bigger, our udders have grown and filled with milk, and every morning and evening we go to the milking parlour, where special machines are used to draw it off. It's then pumped through special pipes and bottles to keep it cool and fresh. Can you imagine how much milk there is here? Some of it for your breakfast, perhaps. Look at this magnificent sheep and her 2 lambs. One of them is me. Here I am. I was born only a few hours ago, and I'm very hungry. I feed from my mother's udder, which fills with milk. I can't quite get the hang of it yet, though. Ah, yes, that's better. And here's my brother. He looks just like me. We're twins. If he doesn't wake up soon, there'll be none left for him. Ah, here comes the sleepyhead. Now, wake up properly and have some of this milk. It's warm and delicious. Hurry, or it will all be gone. All that walking and drinking has worn us out. I think it's time to just snuggle down and have a nice rest. Here I am, a few weeks older. I'm much plumper now, thanks to Mother's nourishing milk. Can you see how my coat has changed too? But it's still not as long as my mother's. We live in a stable next to a field full of grass. Hang on, who's that on the other side of the gate? Well, I'm going to go and have a look. The same as me, but a different colour. Come on, let's get a bit closer. Isn't she a lovely colour? Mother's going to meet her. Should we go? She does look friendly. If we don't go out, I think she's going to come in. This is the way. Ooh, look at this lovely grass. Doesn't it smell good? I wonder if it tastes good too. Oh well, no time for that now. I wonder where she's got to. There she is. She really is exactly the same as us, just a different colour. Right. Let's go off and play. What could this be, lying on the ground? It's wool. And look where it came from. Mother, she's been shorn. And here we are. We're quite a bit bigger and stronger. We're braver too. Although we don't always stay close to Mother, we do still like to be close to each other. We don't have milk anymore, just grass. We'll make short work of this field, won't we? Now, that looks like something we could have a bit of fun with. Let's go and investigate. Now, what are we going to do with that? Wait a minute, I found something rather interesting. Do you want to come and see? I'll just try and get a closer look down here. I can't get in, but I'm sure there's someone down here. Oh well, whoever they are, they're not coming out. That's clever. Can I have a go? I wonder what was in that hole, though. I know there was something. Ah! It was a rabbit, a very shy rabbit. Mind out, I'm coming. Whee! Over again. If he wasn't so timid, I think he'd quite like to join in, don't you? He's getting braver. Now, let's watch where he goes to. He's hopped through our gate. Do you realize you're lying in our hay? It's not really a place to wash, now is it? My word, you have such long ears and such a twitchy nose. Now what are you up to? He's off back to his own home. Let's get back to our game. Who's going to go first? Me or you? Ha ha! Me!